Hey, how's it going? This is Rob from Justin's Toys, and today I'm over at Leading Edge's headquarters previewing/reviewing a brand new RC vehicle they have called Monster Smash-Ups. Now, what fascinated me about this toy is that it's compatible with Lego Duplo bricks. It's intended to smash into other cars and fall apart, and since it's made out of bricks, you could rebuild it. I can't lie, I thought it was pretty cool, but wasn't sure if it worked, so I contacted them, and here's my test run. This is what the product looks like on the shelf. As you can see, 2.4 gigahertz, a rechargeable battery, and ages 3 and up. It comes in 4 different colors: yellow, blue, red, and black. Each set comes with 4 cones and flags and a sheet of stickers to decorate your car. Taking a look at the body, it feels pretty solid. It has shocks on the wheels, which lets me know that it could probably handle small ramps and absorb impact. You can connect as many vehicles at this frequency, but the trick is to turn each one on one by one. The bricks on the base feel lighter than Duplo blocks and seem to fall off easier. I guess it's intentional so the car could fall apart. Now, I got a fresh set of duplos just for this video, and I found that they do indeed fit. But I find that duplo bricks are microscopically bigger. A 3x2 is pretty easy to put on the base, but a 4x2 seems a little tight, but doable. Here I made a makeshift Mickey on a roof. It's me, Mickey. The vehicles have a switch on the bottom, and once on, you need to push the start on the remote to turn the vehicle on completely. The controls are relatively simple, where the left button moves the car forward and backwards, and the right button moves the vehicle left and right. It's very responsive compared to other RC vehicles I've used. Now, the vehicle is made up of 9 parts, so assembling it is a no-brainer for anyone who has built Legos before. The most confusing part is the doors, and the left and right side can be identified using the rear view mirrors. Other than that, it's self-explanatory, and I don't think that instructions are necessary.
Other side. The other side, that side.
How it matters?
Yeah, because you have a rear side view mirror. See this little side view mirror?
Ah, okay. When the front bumper is banged, the vehicle falls apart. This is because the bumper is connected to a metal bar in the center, which is triggered on impact. The car charges using the included USB cable and takes approximately 90 minutes to charge completely, giving it about 20 minutes of playtime. The MSRP is $50, and this product is scheduled to release in August 2018. All in all, as a buyer for Justin's Toys, I have to admit, I'm sold. I would say the play value is undeniable given that it combines the fun of RC vehicles with building bricks. Here I modified my RC to come complete with a sink and toilet. The fact that you could put whatever Duplo minifigures you want on this is awesome. I just can't wait until they make one that uses standard Lego bricks so I can have a Batmobile fight Lightning McQueen. Well, that's all for this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye! Party on the car. I like the shots.
That's the crash. And now you have to automatically restart it.